It's a reality right now that they're trying to create for you. A reality that would never ever serve your spiritual benefit. If you're looking for material benefit, it'll serve that for a little bit, but I mean, we've seen time and time again, if anyone has ever borrowed, just to pick up a book, just how nations fall. They fall from within. And just being that, you know, what's going on in these days and times ain't necessarily new, but the information is being passed around quicker than ever. And as information picks up speed, you know, more than likely the receivers of that information will too. So there's gonna be a whole lot more doers, a whole lot more free thinkers, a whole lot more people just willing to say fuck this shit and stand on their own. So if you are looking for complacency, that this information just really ain't for you, and you just lock yourself away. That's what you already do subconsciously. Those receptive to the information, receptive to the download, those who are sparing a lot of pain and just what they should be doing right now, instead of will this all be over. It's the power in you that you gotta stop denying that. There's a power in you when outside a certain circumstance that has been oppressing you, enslaving you, belittling you, dimming your own light. When you are outside of that, your essence, your aura, you know, everything is in its most natural state. So we're gonna have to do a whole lot to just separate ourselves from the kind of shit that's been making us comfortable, actually. Because what's been making us comfortable has been dimming our lights. What's been making us comfortable has been allowing us to be more and more complacent. So a lot of what we call normalcy is, you know, really slavery. It's slavery for the etheric way of speaking. Just be aware of that tendency to fall back, like we always tend to do. Not all of us, but you know, the more and more of the people that fall back, the more and more we just get back on the wheel. But it's time to destroy this wheel for real. I already know the deal. Shit. Times I wonder if anybody just realizes it's all the different smoke screens, all the different mind games that's just being put out there. It's all a reaction game. The people you look to for solutions be the ones who created the problems. And they create solutions for you to sell, to get whatever they can get from you, to keep the flow of or the idea of money going, or just to get your energy from you. You've got to be aware. I mean, at least don't ever put your heart into all this bullshit. And it's been bullshit since before what else going on now. It's just to now hope our motherfuckers is waking up. I don't need you to be woken up because really all the shit is already done with. This shit is dead. The apocalypse been done happened. What I'm trying to tell you is, you know, you either on this side or the other. They saw a hole, get that. But before we can get back to wholeness, you know, it's gonna be a whole lot of chaos. Chaos that will force people to deal with their own bullshit, to deal with their own demons, and to recognize which angels that they got are their own demons as well. And until you can tame all that shit, so you can get yourself sorted out and become that whole and recognize this what's really going down. Right now, we just manifesting some physical chaos. That shit tumbles down on us. But we rise from the ashes. You know, the same way we rose from Genesis. Have no fear. You ain't missing nothing here. Shit. That's all I gotta say. Thanks for watching the video. Asante Sana. Peace.